Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about what is an example of local SEO. For those of you that are kind of new to this, local SEO is basically just getting your business Google business profile to show up in the search results. And usually when you search something in Google, you'll have three results. So it's called the map pack. So that's kind of what we're going to be talking about today. Won't go too much into like city pages targeting area for a service in a particular city, so we won't go too much into that. So we'll just talk about this a simpler explanation. So let's go here. So here we have an example. This is personal injury lawyer. Let's say somebody searches that. These three show up first, right? Let's see. This is a paid advertisement, so it's not really considered local SEO. This is AI overview. It's AI overview. Local SEO would be these results. So these are the top three results that come up, and that's where your business, your profile could come up here. And a good example in one of the previous videos, I talked about certain things you could do as a beginner for your business to get more visibility. These guys actually did an exact match keyword. What does that mean? They place their business name as the exact keyword they want to show up for. So that's the only reason this is a great example of local SEO. See, they're showing up here even though they only have 46 reviews compared to the other guys that have 318 and 502. All right, so these are just simple metrics that anybody can look at, how many reviews they have. So here, why are they ranking number 2? Because of that tip. They're using the keywords in their business name. So good things, bad things, pros and cons to this. Google may flag this type of business as spam, so that's an issue that can happen. Good thing is, you could beat competitors that are way more established than this business. All right, so yeah, so that's a good example of local SEO and how one of the tips I mentioned before works.